you want? Hello. You followed me into the kitchen. What do you want? I'm only making a cup of tea, a piece of toast. Well, show me what you want. Yeah, well, show me. What? What do you want? The fridge. I knew she'd follow me into the kitchen. That's why I brought my phone in. I think I've done quite a few videos of her doing this. I'll just ignore her for a bit. What? What do you want? Well, show me then. Show me what you want. Show me what you want. You want some ham out the fridge? You want some ham, Luce? Want some ham? Yes, what do you want? You want some ham? Am I being mean? Alright, I'll get you some ham out of the fridge. Alright, love her to bits. She's brilliant. Alright, I'll give you some ham. Right, I've got some ham now out of the fridge. Come on. There you go. You're alright, Luce. Is that nice, Lucy? It's no one there, it's only the wind. Oh, come. Oh, God. Multitasking. Nearly made the toast. I did. Oh, so you could have ham. You're done now, Luce. Oh, come. Oh, come. No, it's all gone. You can't have any more. Oh, come. Have some more later. You're standing and you're hoping, but it's not happening. Lucy. Lucy, have some later. Have some more later. Oh, she's so cute. Oh God, I bent the toast. Oops, have to do it again. Alright, see ya.